So in this video, we're talking about how you can turn your sewing, your designing skills into a business by making professional boxing shorts for ladies and men, as well as the Muay Thai kickboxing collection patterns. The patterns are all available on my website. I'll leave the link down below. So let's get started. Hi, this is my Tuesday video, which is all to do about clothing, fashion, creating your own style. This video is sponsored by Tania Sutherland's pattern collection. The digital pattern collection consists of cocktail wear, designer wear, athleisure wear, and of course, activewear from yoga to boxing shorts. So go and check it out. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland and I'm sharing 36 years experience of being a fashion designer as well as being a self-discovery transformation coach. The two are combined as my business, as well as my Friday videos is all about self-discovery. If you love this kind of content, don't forget to please press the like button down below and of course subscribe and leave any comments down below. I would love to come back and engage with you. Have you been thinking about turning professional boxing shorts into an actual business, creating your own collection and actually selling it, becoming an entrepreneurial boss, or adding it already to your existing business to double your income? You can actually make the samples up yourself, find yourself an amazing model or two to wear the actual shorts and start creating beautiful photographs to put it out there to social media to market yourself as a fashion entrepreneur with an absolute clear picture of you are designing and making garments, boxing shorts for boxers, or to do the Muay Thai boxing. You decide what it is that you want to create, whether it's for the ladies or for the men. You decide, but know specifically what your target market is. So once you make up your samples and as you get into production, if you find that you cannot cope with production, then source it out, find someone that can actually do it for you.